Namaste and welcome to the first episode of Oh My Mask. Oh My Mask is a series of podcasts with Dev Upadhyay, a 9th standard student from National Public School, Koramangala. This is being done in partnership with Rotaract Bangalore Junction, District 3190, which is an offshoot of Rotary International. It is a non-profit organization for young adults between the age group of 18 to 30 years. And they also let young individuals like me volunteer with them from time to time. For more information, log on to their Instagram page at Rotaract Bangalore Junction. This is an initiative in collaboration with the Future Leaders Program of 1 million for 1 billion. 1M1B is an organization that works with the United Nations on the Sustainable Development Goals that have to be achieved by 2030. 1M1B basically means empowering 1 million people to bring a change on 1 billion people. For additional information, log on to their website www.activate1m1b.org. Coming back to Oh My Mask and my reason for being here. We are well into the lockdown as of today. However, most of us still do not wear the most important need-based addition to our clothing, masks. Of course, the 1,000 rupee fine on not wearing a mask has motivated Aam Janta to step out of their houses with a mask on. But after all, we are Indians and we think we know what we're doing. And when we get caught, we can make up with the finest of excuses, such as,
Hello, where is your mask?
मेरा मास्क तो धुल रहा है, सूखने के बाद पहनूंगा. Today's episode has 3 parts to it. The first, importance of wearing masks. The do's and don'ts of wearing masks. And lastly, I will leave you with an activity of the day. Oh My Mask is here to tell you all about the importance of wearing a mask. Masks are important as they help to keep all sorts of infection, bacteria and viruses out. Masks also prevent infection, bacteria and viruses from spreading into the environment from a sick person's mouth and nose. Moving on, the do's and don'ts. Wash your hands before and after wearing a mask. Make sure that the mask is not too small or too loose. Inspect the mask for any dirt or debris. Ensure that the mask covers your entire mouth and nose. Avoid touching your mask and face. Remove the mask after regular intervals of half an hour or so. And discard the mask immediately after use or wash it with soap and sanitize it. The activity of the day. Activities have to be done at home or in your quarantine environment. Today's activity is fairly simple and straightforward. Post a picture of you wearing a mask. And don't forget to tag us at Rotaract Bangalore Junction. The same name is given in the description below. Your activity submissions will be reposted on RBJ's Insta page. If you do not have an Insta account, not to worry. You can send us a message on Facebook with the image, tag us on Facebook or send us an email at rotaractbangalorejunction@gmail.com. Wear a mask today, breathe fresh air tomorrow. Looking forward to your replies and of course, like, share and comment on our series, Oh My Mask, Episode 1, a podcast with Dev Upadhyay. Stay tuned. Up till next time. Namaste and goodbye.